So, ngayon guys, pauwi na ako dahil supposedly may class ako ng 6 PM. Pero, ayun, umalis ako sa bahay ng 2. Dumating ako sa school mga 3:40. Pagdating ng mga 4:30 something, nag-announce yung bidal namin sa class na hindi daw papasok si attorney ngayon. Hindi daw papasok si attorney. Okay lang kasi yung kaba ko nawala, diba? Pero, wala lang, sayang lang yung effort. Sayang yung gas, sayang yung oras, sana natulog ako, or sana nagbasa pa ako for other subjects. Pero ayun, ganun talaga. At least, yung cases na supposedly tatakal ngayon, tatapos ko na siyang basahin. So, ready na ako, medyo ready na ako next meeting. Unless baguhin niya na naman ang case list, patay tayo talaga dyan. So, umalis ako ng school mga around 5 something. Nandito pa din ako sa EDSA. Alas 6 na. Isang oras na ako dito sa traffic. Kanina ang traffic talaga. Hindi ko talaga alam bakit. Buti na lang. Medyo maaga ako umalis talaga. So, and walang pasok. Na-cancel yung class. So, tanggal yung kaba and everything. Pero ngayon, sa bagay kasi 6 PM, diba? Uwian na din ang mga tao. Tapos galing pa akong Makati. So, kakasabay ng mga nagtatrabaho pa uwi. Ayun. Gutom na ako, inaantok na ako. So, nag-video ako ng sarili ko para maaliw yung sarili ko. Hindi ako makatulog habang nagdadrive. Grabe, inaantok talaga ako. Gusto ko magkape. Pero ayaw ng tiyan kong magkape. Nararamdaman ko yung acidity. Iniisip ko lang na magkakape ako, nafe-feel ko na ma-acid na ako, ganun level siya. Ang unfair nga, kasi wala lang. Favorite ko yung kape, tapos yes, ako pa yung may acid. So, yun lang. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ko ma-upload yung video na to. And kung anong mga clips ang meron. Hindi pala ako nakapag-edit, pero whatever. Dito na ako sa may Mega Mall. Wala traffic talaga doon, babe. O, diba? Wala nang traffic. Diyan lang talaga yung traffic sa sa kanto ng Mega Mall. Dito maluwag na. And guys, bye! See you again when naalala ko. Kapag naalala ko na ulit mag-video. Bye! Out with my friend and we catch up lang. It's 2:38 PM and I'm on my way to QC kasi susunduin ko yung friend ko si Enya and ko-coffee kami sa Dodo's Well around Katipunan. OTV outfit check. 780. Ito na lang cargo. 117. Ay, sorry. Saka pala kakain. 10 bucks. Ayan. Yung ano siya connect? Focus. Anong camera to, Colleen? Korean and her vlogger iyo. Hindi ako nag-vlog. So guys, kakatapos na namin kumain ng carbonara. So it's 7:25 p.m.
Try natin.
So, get ready with me! 7:30 na ng umaga. So, nandito ako sa FU Manila kasi kami ay may send-off party ng school for slow students na magbabar exam. First time ko magdala ng car dito sa Manila. So, inagahan ko kasi wala lang, natakot ako eh. Nakaka-copyright pa ako. Okay. So, dito na lang ako nag-ayos sa car kasi malilate ako. Kaya itapa ako, diba? Laki ng pimple ko, guys. So, it's gonna be a long day today. I'll try my best to record, to take, magtagalog na lang kasi pinipilit mag-English. So, ayun. Pero tinitignan ako ni ate. Dito muna natin lagay kasi mamaya makapal. Kuya, akala ko kakatukin ako. Lately lang ako guys na tripan makeup. Kasi laging haggard. Puyat ka na nga, diba? Tapos pangit ka pa. Hindi mo pwede yun. Diba yan? Hindi talaga ako marunong magkilay. Nag-chat. Wait nga lang. I'm back. Gusto ko lang Kulin, kung nanonood ka netong vlog ko, magkakaroon din ako niyang camera. Guys, binubudol ako ni Colleen. Binubudol pa lang. Ganda na ba ako? And then, wait. Sinunod ako ni Aren. Wait lang, Aren. Ako ay lip balm. At sasalamin ako. Ilang bye, guys. Ganda-gandahan. Bababa na nga ako. Off ko na to. So, dadalhin ko kayo today. Kasama ko. Balong. Ito ka dyan. Tinetext na ako ng tropa. classmate ko. Wait lang, Alex, ha? Okay. Bye-bye. Pwede dumaan dito, kuya? FEU. Ito ang views ni gate, guys. Ganda ba? Saan? Walang tao kasi. Guys, ito yung kantin namin dati. Pero kantin pa rin naman siya ngayon. Guys, ayan. Kami ng WRP. So, inaantay ko lang ang aking classmates. Wala, parang medyo marami ng tao, guys. So, bye muna. Let's go together. Hello. Hi, guys. Yes! Nagay na siya sa aking mga friends. Dami mo namang sinasabi, ate. Pausay ka. Ang mga buhay naman sa photo booth. Ito lang po! Ito na yung kailangan! Ito na yung kailangan ko! Ganda lang. Stop kami naman po.
Offer ka daw.
Tapos nakaganyan ka, sis! Offer! Offer!
Baka hindi ka bilang mga tanong ka. Ang tanong kailan ba yun?
Kawawa naman kami. Tingnan mo naman. Kawawa na kami, oh. Kawawa kami.
Mayroon ka namang dalawang snacks.
Bata mo na ako doon. Ikaw naman.
Kitchen! Hi, guys. May kami na kami. It's giving.
Baka pipilitan mo pa, hindi naman nakasya ka. Plakado.
Just 5 minutes, so relax, chill out, and maybe cheer on our barristers a little bit. So, bear with me, okay? I'm gonna say it one time, and then when I say it one time, you guys are gonna do it the next time, yeah? Yeah? Stunning slay, okay. Brave is the charge, bold is the fight. Tamaras unite and battle for the right. Okay, we got it, right? Let's try this. Our Godfathers are in the zone. With courage, unyielding, victory awaits those who dare. Rise, excel, and declare.
Brave is the charge, bold is the fight. Tamaras unite and battle for the right.
I love it. You guys are ready to support our parents. Will always be applause, guys. Come on.
Let's go, Tamaraw! Let's go! Let's go, Tamaraw! Let's go! Let's go, Tamaraw! Let's go! Woo! Congratulations muna. The guys who are taking the bar exam, congratulations. Sige. Let's hear it! Let's go, Tamaraw! Let's go! So see you in December. Yun, second reason. Huh? Third reason, we remember those who supported us. Alright? We remember those who supported us. We remember our parents, friends, classmates, lahat na nag-support. Alright? Most important, this is the culture that we want to have, no? We support each other. We build each other up, whatever talent you have. Support each other with whatever we have. Like what CBO did. We help each other. Ala, di ba? Pag sa practice, that's what we're going to do. We help each other change the world. And as you know, I don't know if you realize, we've been doing it already ever since you went to law school. Tama? Because when we do our legal aid, when we help other people, when we empower, when we share our knowledge of the law, no matter how small that is, we're helping each other. Because that's the culture that we want to build. No? So those are the main reasons why we are here. No? So isa ba? Let's go, Tamara!
Let's go!
Let's support our bar examinees because in the future, ayun naman. Can you imagine yourself? In here? No, bar examinees, you look at them and say, look at us! One more step, diba?
Just so you know, that's my last year here. I've been here for so long, I'll miss you. But if you really miss me, then just invite me back as a faculty, diba? Before I bring him up, I want to, of course, introduce him properly. He is a respected figure in both the legal and academic communities. Also seen his respect for Nicanor, diba? Thank you, JJ. That's not JJ. Totoo yun, Nicanor. And he has been the driving force behind FEU's Institute of Law since 2013. And you all know him from his incredible show, Dean Mel on Air.
Lahat ng tumutulong sa bar operations, good karma yan. Do your best, try your hardest. Good luck!
Number one is that the reality that studying is over. So wag niyo nang isipin yun. Nakapag-aral kayo ng maayos. If you study smart, ano naman ang source ng inyong kaba?
I know that most, if not all of you, feel nervous at this point. It's normal to be nervous. That feeling, you will continue to feel even after you're admitted to the Philippine bar.
Burn ako! Ano nangyayari? Bakit wala nang ano? Hi guys! Sis!
Naririto tayo guys ngayon para i-celebrate ang send-off ng ating bar examinees. Kaya one last time, hindi, second to the last time, mag-ingay ulit!
Buting na ako tayo.
Ang dark na Versosa na. Edit ko yan. Hi, sis! Sis! Hi, ma'am! Hi! Nabasa ang English?
In this case, it doesn't show na he knowingly was possessing which requires you to be which all the courts eventually